Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from our community member and her name is Yvette, and she says, "Hi, my name is Yvette. Hi Yvette. My wedding date is coming up soon and my color scheme is white, silver with silver accents. I would like it if you could help me to create this elegant centerpiece for my reception tables on a budget. I've seen one of your DIY videos on YouTube and it was absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. With a glass trumpet centerpiece. I just love it and I would like the same exact glass trumpet and the same exact floral arrangement, but artificial, please, in all capitals. Help, I'm not crafty sassy at all." Well, guess what, Yvette? After this tutorial, you will definitely be crafty sassy. I love that. I'll have to use that in the future. So, without further ado, let's get started with helping Yvette become crafty sassy with this week's episode, Tall Cream Delight Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So for this tutorial, we're going to use Yvette's exact vase. Now this is 24 inches, but I'm going to show you a DIY Dollar Tree hack to create a similar vase that's right at about 18 inches tall. So with using our extra industrial strength E6000, we're attaching a fish bubble bowl, is what it's called, a bubble bowl between two Pilsner glasses. I think I pronounced that right. And you can see the difference in height, but you have the same exact look. So next we're going to add our silver accent by painting the stems of the Calla lilies silver. So first I painted the center portion of it just by spray painting it with silver spray paint. Now, will some of it come up on your fingers as you're applying them to your centerpiece? Yes, but not enough for you to see it. Next, you're going to just dab a little silver metallic acrylic paint on the ends or the tops of the stems so that it blends all the way through and you don't see the green. Now, if you want to see the green, by all means, don't paint it. It's really up to you. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and run with it. So before I attach my 8-inch styrofoam ball to the rim of my vase, I'm going to make an indentation because I want to add some hydrangeas and one stem of the cherry blossom vine to the underside so that when you're looking at the centerpiece, either from the top, the bottom, the side, you will see the elegance all the way through. So I'm adding 2 to 3 hydrangea blossoms and one of the cherry blossom stems right in the center. And then I'm going to attach it to the top rim of my trumpet vase using some high temp hot glue. All right, let's get to it. Well, Yvette, what do you think? This is truly a dream centerpiece. I can not only see it on your reception tables, I can see it lining your aisles, also at your altar. It just has so much versatility to it. And I hope that it not only helps you, but it helps others see that with a little bit of DIY ingenuity, you can do it too. We can all be crafty sassy. So if you like this video, please by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. And if you would like a special notification from us when they're up and ready, click on that little bell down there and set yourself up for our very special notification. Also, you can send us a comment, you can ask us a question. That is what we are here for. We are here to help you create the DIY projects of your dreams. In addition to that, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And do not forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates account, sign up for it now. You don't want to miss it. It's absolutely free, very simple to use. You go to their website, you sign up for your free Ebates account. When you're ready to shop online, log onto your Ebates account, find the vendors you're looking for, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail for your shopping pleasures. We love it. We want to pass that on to you to make sure that you are making the most of your money when you're planning your wonderful events. In addition to that, our store is up and running. We are so excited about it. We are so grateful for all of you who have already visited our store. I've been getting requests for more products, and trust me, we are working on them diligently, but you know, we don't put anything on our store or on our channel unless it's of excellence. It's very important to us to make it the very best that we possibly can make it so that it can help you the most. But if you haven't already checked out our store, head on over there. It is fantastic. It's a digital download store, guys. So what that means is you purchase the product and you have instant accessibility to it. You don't have to pay shipping and handling. You don't have to wait for it to come in the mail. We've done this because we don't want to charge you any more than we have to, and we want to make sure that all of our subscribers and all of our community have access to it no matter where you live. And I just want to thank our wonderful subscribers from Brazil and from Australia and from all these places that just kind of blow my mind completely. And the store has just been more than I could ask for. And I just want to thank you for supporting us. So right now in our store, we have our DIY Bride Wedding Planner, which has everything you need from top to bottom, left to right, up or down. Everything you need to make the wedding of your dreams a DIY wedding. Next, we have our Maid of Honor Planner, which walks you through step by step in being the most excellent maid of honor you can be. And then our last planner that we have on there right now is our DIY project planner. And that is a planner for everybody who has a project that they are getting together. It walks you through everything you need. It even helps you budget it. I mean, it's just everything there. So check it out. And don't forget, we have our dollar deals right now. And our dollar deals is our paper flower PDF for all of you who want to know how we make those paper roses. And don't worry, we are going to have more products. I'm working on them right now on our dollar deals because, you know, MissPlanIt, we like a deal. So with that being said, don't forget the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are always in our description below. To access it, click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you look at it, and everything is there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got it. It's right there for you. Also, a link to submit your project request. I've gotten a couple of questions about how do I submit a project request. You have two ways. You can click on the little icon in the corner there. It'll take you to our website, MissPlanIt.com. And if you haven't checked out our website, I strongly suggest you go there with our blog posts and our written instructions. It's just way more information there that we can do on our weekly podcast. So with that being said, you go to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab and follow the very easy steps, or head on right down into our description, click on the project request link, and there, follow the easy steps. Do it soon. Our production schedule fills up so fast, but we're working on something for that too. We are working on a library that will be on our website for the projects that we can't really fit in on a weekly tutorial, but we want to make sure we have it for you and give you access to it. So we're working very hard, guys. We're growing every day, and it's because you are telling us that you need us. So that's what we're here for. So excited about our future. With that being said, it brings us to the end of our time, and I just want to thank you for spending time with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube, and we just appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us. So until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.